The Shanghai Customs Bell Tower, also known as the Jianghai Customs Building, has also witnessed the city's changes.
这里呢是江海关档案的馆藏室，有14000多卷。那么它的起始日期呢，从1857年开始，记录了有外籍税务司制度开始，一直到1949年。馆藏的档案的内容呢，包括英文秘书科的档案、汉文秘书科的档案，还有往来的官方函、半官方函，还有一些通告、预告等等。你们看这些档案，浩如烟海。 这每个柜子里边都是分类的，可以看一下。像这一本呢，就是英文秘书科记录的英文档案。那么可以看出，当时近代海关呢，它是一个非常鲜明的有洋员管理的这么一个特色。那么直到1949年，这样的一个制度呢，才宣告结束，海关的管理权呢，才回到中华人民共和国我们自己的手里。
There's a side of Chinese history unfamiliar to many outsiders. Shanghai was both witness to and victim of China's 100 years of humiliation. In the 1800s, China was fragmented and suffering at the hands of Western powers. It was a semi-colonial, semi-feudal society. The defeat in the First Opium War brought unequal treaties. The imperial Qing government was forced to yield Hong Kong outright to Britain and to open up 4 other ports, including Shanghai, to foreigners to settle and administer. Other countries followed. After the defeat in the Second Opium War, British and French troops pillaged Beijing's old summer palace and burned it to the ground. During the 7 decades from 1840 to 1911, China was forced by Western powers to sign more than 400 unequal treaties. The Boxer Protocol required China to hand over nearly 1 billion taels of silver, equivalent at the time to the national revenue for 12 years. Shanghai was subject to foreign occupation. Chinese were second class in their own country.
帝国主义强盗们的旗插在我们神圣的国土上，这是侮辱中国人民的标志。
钟楼的最高点。那么当时呢，上海大楼内部呢成立了人民保安队，配合解放军解放大上海。49年5月25号凌晨4点，江海关钟楼上空飘起了黄浦江畔的第一面红旗。 在红旗飘扬在这个外滩大楼上空的时候呢，预示着一个100年外籍税务司制度的终结。
There was a victory parade along the Bund.
我们要100倍努力，为保卫人民和平民主而坚决革命到底。这是工人阶级的弟兄们在上海第一次狂欢无比的大团结。这伟大的团结力量使人们敢于相信，从现在起。 上海不再遭受帝国主义的侵略和官僚资本家的压迫了。
Today, Shanghai is a symbol of a rising China. It's one of the world's biggest ports and an international financial center. The Shanghai Customs House dates back to the early 18th century. Jinshu is proud that it's an iconic landmark in the Bund.
它和莫斯科的大钟、英国伦敦的大本钟并称为姐妹钟。
The current building was built in 1925 and still functions as a customs house. The bell first rung in 1928 with the Westminster quarters. Today, the tune is the revolutionary song, "The East is Red."